Hello, guys. Welcome back with the third puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday, March the 23rd, 2022. In this additional, we have 6 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, binary, and the Tectonic. Those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. I've already solved 2 puzzles. The Sudoku with 3 stars and the binary puzzle. So there is one puzzle left. Tectonic with 4 stars. And this will be number 4303. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Well, the hard ones has 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. 17 should be an easy one. 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here 2 single boxes. Always a 1. Okay. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes here in this puzzle? No dual boxes. I see a triple box. Here also triple box contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, the 3 is already filled in here. So the other 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. Here also a triple box. I cannot fill this yet. But when you see a triple box, the inside box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Same for here. The box near the middle box should be 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 4 here in this area. So it cannot be 4, should be a 5. Here also, 4 or a 5. Let me mark this. Okay. 4 or a 5. Triple box. Quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes? I see here quadra box. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. More quadra boxes. Here quadra box. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. So the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. You see this shape? Alright. When you see this shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. More of this kind of shape? No, only one. Then the following shape, the Z or the S construction. Oh, wait. Let me draw this here. Wait, this, let me draw first the well, this is not correct. Okay, let me. Okay. Let me draw this one. Okay, the S or the Z construction. When you see the S or the Z construction, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box, same number as this box. Okay. Same for the Z construction. So this box has the same number as that box. Oh. Draw this. And that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Let me see. Then we have an L shape. The L shape here. When you see the L shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes or the figures that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3 of them that you need to know, need to recognize. There are more. I believe there are 6. But not in this puzzle. This puzzle we have 3 that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize? Because then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes. The other 2 numbers, the other pair in this area should be the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Okay. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, if this is a 1, this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. But we already have a 1 here. So this is not the solution to place the 1 there. The 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. 1 and a 2 in this Z construction. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 and a 2, and that box is connected with this box 1 and a 2, but we already have a 1 here, so it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this Z construction for the number 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Okay. 1 box left in this area for number 3. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay, 1, 4, 5, 3, and 2 are missing here. 3 and a 2, 3 and a 2. Okay. This box can be 1, can be 4, can be 5. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and the 3. Okay. So the 4 in this quarter box could be here or could be there. Yeah, here cannot be a 4. That means that this box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. I think this box should be cannot be a 1, can be 2, can be 5. So 3 or 4 are left here. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 3 goes there. Okay. Then. Let me see. I think this box should be 4 because we have a 2. Can it be a 1? Can it be 2 or a 3? We have a double 2 and double 3 there. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here because we have a double 1 there. If I place the 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 is no solution. Place the 1 here. The 1 is supposed to be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. The other pair should be the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there, now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. Then 1, 2, 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. I've marked this box with 3 or 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this box will be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Okay, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 2. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked this box 4 or a 5. So it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Okay. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 2 goes there. 2. Wait. These two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. Okay. 2 and the 3. Well, 2 and 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 3. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Final number of this area for the number 5. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, it's not really a 4 stars. I'm disappointed. It's rather a 1 star. But I like this one. I really do. Yes. So Not the 4 stars, not the 3 stars, not the 2 stars. Give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the ladder Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and the quintuplet, yeah, a.k.a. Samurai Sudoku. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.